Today in the Instant Pot on slow cooker, we put fire roasted diced tomatoes, red beans, chili beans, and light red kidney beans. We're going to put banana peppers, mild, and we're going to put green peppers. We're going to put my homemade chili powder seasoning. And I do got a recipe on my channel if you want to make the chili powder seasoning. And we're going to add onions. And then after it all cooks, we're going to fry up some hamburger and add hamburger to it. We're also going to put garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin in it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. We're only using 4 cans today. However much you need for your family, you add how many cans you need. Or use beans in a bag. Either one. Cook them like that, then do it. But it's cold here today. And I'm going to do this for supper. And this is how we're going to warm up today. Thanks for watching. Bye.